Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, as you can tell, I'm going to give you a brief tour of the Infinity Processing System back office and what you'll be actually getting access to when you become a member. All right. So, the Infinity Processing System is a fairly new opportunity. Hasn't been around long. Been around, I would say, a couple weeks now. But it provides massive value as a training platform for every online marketer that has an online business and utilizes social media. Okay. Now, going through the back office, this is going to be a brief video, guys. There's not really much to it, but going through the back office, you'll see everything here that you get access to when you join at the pro level. I want to make sure I point that out again. This is everything that you get access to when you're at the pro level. All right. So if you join at the starter level, a lot of this stuff is going to be locked or not visible. When you join at the elite level, a little bit more will be shown, but still you'll have a good part of it locked as well. All right. So again, everything you're going to see is at the pro level. So you'll have access to every single training video that's mentioned on the website. You'll have access to being able to create your automated sales funnel. You'll be told what to say when you ask for information, winning mindset training, the art of persuasion and influence. You have access to your images. Wait. You'll have access to your pre-written ads and your bonus images, 200 of those, image ads. You have an action plan, 7-day action plan for success. You'll have your Facebook marketing. You can purchase paid traffic, that's the option. Craigslist training, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok training. This right here in itself, those particular aspects, especially with Facebook as well, this is the reason why you need to join IPS, guys. The training you're getting is top notch. It's coming from a six-figure earner, someone who's been there, who's done that, who utilizes the methods that she talks about in this training. Okay. And it's for all platforms, as you can tell. For us marketers, we're on social media, we're on YouTube right now, which is where you're watching this video from probably. We utilize Instagram, we utilize Facebook a lot. And for offline marketing, Craigslist is the place to go as well. And sometimes you may want to just purchase paid traffic. So she has pretty much every single marketer covered in terms of social media, paid traffic, and things like that. You're also able to learn how to automate your business with your six-figure system. And this is a bonus for the members that join. They'll be able to get access to this as well. I'm just going to say this, guys. When you join this particular opportunity, the value that you get, the training that you get is worth the $300 simply because of the fact that there's not that many platforms that give you all of this. The social media training, the way to purchase paid traffic, an action plan, winning mindset training, pre-written ads and images. There's not that many places that will give you all of this jam-packed into one particular platform. Okay? I don't know what it is about this opportunity, but I had to jump on board when I first found out about it, when I saw what I was getting for the value, and I'm honestly glad I did. So the only thing I will say to you again is this. If you can come in at the pro level, the $300 level, and get access to everything that I showed you so far, go ahead and do that, okay? If you can only come in at the $50 level, that's fine. You can start there and upgrade within a 30-day period, okay? That's another thing. You could upgrade within the 30-day period and just pay the difference. But if you upgrade after that, you're going to have to pay the full price, all right? So it's imperative that you join at the highest level possible so you can get access to everything that you possibly can at that level. Plain and simple, guys, all right? So again, I'm not going to hold you up much longer. I just want to show you a brief look at the back office, the training that you get access to, and that's pretty much it, okay? So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down in the comment section below, and we can talk about it more in detail there, all right? But for now, guys, hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, again, reach out to me and we can talk about it, all right? Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.